Hey kids, today I'm going to show how to do Maths Olympiad Grade 3 from BPI Publications. So let's look at the contents of the book. So we have number sense, addition and subtraction of numbers, multiplication and division, fractions, geometry skills, patterns and symmetry, time and money, measurements such as length, weight, volume and temperature, and we also have figure-based problems, and we have coding and decoding. And to end with, we have the answer sheets. So here is the first chapter. So we have number sense, and to start with we have logical and analytical reasoning. So the question 1 is, if the series goes forward as shown below, so what is the rule used for each step? So if you look at these numbers, we have 2351, 2451, 2551, 2651 and 2751. And if we pay close attention to these numbers, they are the increments of 100. So if I add plus 100 to 2351, I'm going to get 2451. And likewise, if I keep adding plus 100 to all these numbers, I keep getting the next number, right? So 2451 plus 100 is 2551, 2551 plus 100 is 2651, 2651 plus 100 is 2751. So the answer is adding 100. The next question is, which number can be used to complete the pattern given in the table? So if you look at column A, we have 12, 15, 11 and 13. And if you look at column B, we have 36, 45 and 33. And if we divide the numbers in column A by 3, we are going to get the numbers in column B. So 12 into 3 is 36 and 15 into 3 is 45, 11 into 3 is 33 and 13 into 3 is 39. So the answer is B, 39. The next question is, amongst 3 football teams, the Kickers, the Rangers and the Pandas, the Kickers won more matches than Rangers but fewer matches than the Pandas. So which team won the most of the matches? So the first thing is, the Kickers won the more matches than Rangers. So Kickers won more matches than Rangers. But the Kickers won fewer matches than the Pandas, right? So Pandas won more matches than Kickers. So which team won the most of the matches? The answer is C, the Pandas. So which of the following is the second largest number? Let's see. So 7,600 plus 1,900 and 190. So the answer for this one is 0, 9, 16, 1, 8690, right? 8690. And for B is 7,500, 1,500, 180 is 0, 8, 11, 1, 9180. And 6,660 plus 910 and 90 is 0, 16, 1, 0, 1, 7060 for C. And for D, 8,400, 840 and 80 is 0, 12 plus 1, 13 plus 1, 9320 for D. So the answer for which of the following is the second largest number? It is B, 9180. Alright, so I made a little correction here. So the answer for A is 9690 if we add these 3 numbers. So this B is not the correct answer. The answer is D. Okay, let's move on to the question 5. I am a number with digits 2, 8, 6 and 0. and I'm the smallest possible number between 2000 and 3000. So we have four answers: 2860, 80 and 2806 and 2068. So out of these four numbers, we have to find out which one is the smallest, and it should be between 2000 to 3000. So the answer is D. Let's move on to question 6. So if a table represents a group of 3 tables and a chair represents a group of 5 chairs, then which of the following represents group of 9 tables and 20 chairs? So if you look at the question again, so we have a table which represents a group of 3 tables. So a group of 9 tables would be this one. So we have 3 tables, 3 tables and 3 tables, and if we sum it up we get 9 tables. And similarly, a chair represents a group of 5 chairs. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 into 5 chairs is 20 chairs. So the answer is B. So if a sad face means plus, and if a neutral face means minus, and if a smiley face means greater than, and if I'm not sure what this symbol means, if this symbol means less than, then which of these is incorrect? So 231, neutral face 129. So neutral means minus here. So 231 minus 129. So 3, 1. So this is 2, and 2 minus 2 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 102. So A is correct. So 231 minus 129 is 102. So let's look at B. 564, smiley face 231. So is 564 greater than 231? Yes. Let's look at C. 432, sad face 129. So a sad face means plus. So let me add 432 129. So 9 2 11 1 6 561. So C is also correct. So 675, and this icon means less than 465. So is 675 less than 465? No. So this is the incorrect answer. So 675 is always greater than 465. Let's move on to the next question. The number 261 does not belong to the given group. So what is the logic used? So we have numbers such as 1756, 261, 1136, 2889, 5070. The options that we have is all other numbers are even numbers, all other numbers are 4-digit numbers, all other numbers are odd numbers, all other numbers are ordinal numbers. So for sure all other numbers are 4-digit numbers. They cannot be even numbers because we have 1756 which is even, and 2889 which is an odd number, and they cannot be odd numbers because we have a mix of both odd numbers and even numbers. So the answer should be B. So look at the given pictures. So we have a group of boys and girls, and we have to answer this question. So which child is standing between the 5th child from left and 3rd child from right? So 5th child from left, so this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And is this 3rd child from right? Yes. So this girl with the yellow top and blue skirt. So the answer is C. Alright, the next section is mathematical reasoning. The first question is, in which of the following numbers does the digit 5 stands for 500? So 4556, it is standing on tens, and 4567 is standing on 100, and 6325 is standing on 0, and 5342 is standing on 1000. So 5 into 100 is 500, so the answer is B, 4567. Okay, 500 tens and 4000s make dash hundreds. Okay, so we have 500 into 10, which is 5000, and 4 into 1000, which is 4000. So we get 90,000. I'm sorry, 9,000. So how many of hundreds make 9,000? So this is divided by 100, which is 90. So the answer is B. The sum of 68 tens and 4 hundreds is, so let's do this calculation, 68 into 10 and 4 into 100. So 68 into 10 is 680 and 4 into 100 is 400, and if we add this up we'll get 1080. So the answer is A, 1080. So 200 less than 8,405. So 8,405 less than 200, right? So it is 5028. So the answer is A, 8,205. Okay, moving on to the next question. Which of the following shows the correct order of numbers from the greatest to the smallest? Okay, so it is greatest to the smallest. So 3421 is greater than 3214, but 3214 is less than 4321. And moving on to the next option, 5432 is greater than 2351, but 2351 is less than 4532. So this is not greatest to smallest. So I'll move on to the next one, which is 6876, which is less than 8796. So again, this is not the greatest to the smallest series. So the last option is 9876, which is greater than 8976. 8976 is greater than 7986. 7986 is greater than 6789. So the option is D. Question number 15. Complete the given number pattern. So we have 9904, 9804, 9704, and we have two dashes and then 9404. And again, if you look at these numbers, it is very simple. So if we divide the first number by minus 100, we'll get 9804, and likewise if we divide 9804 by 100, we'll get 9704. So if we divide 9704 by 100, we'll get 9604, and this one will be 9504, and to end with we have 9404. So the answer is A, 9604 and 9504. So what is the smallest odd number that can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 4, 8 only once, right? So we have to use these digits 1, 2, 4 and 8 only once, and we have to form a smallest odd number. So the options are 1, 2, 4, 8, 2, 1, 4, 8 and 4, 8, 2, 1, 2, 4, 8, 1. Now if I look at these numbers, this is the smallest number that can be formed using these numbers, but this is an even number, and 2148 is also an even number, and 4821 is an odd number, but we also have 2481, which is also an odd number. So between these two, so the smallest odd number is 2481. All right. Question number 17. Which of the following is the smallest 4-digit odd number? So the options are 1235, 2154, 5321, 2158. So if I look at these numbers, A and C are the only odd numbers, and between these two, 1235 is the smallest 4-digit number. So the answer is A. Okay, let me move on to the next section, which is everyday maths. All right, so question number 18. Pratik's bank account number is 9346. So which of the following number represent his account number? So Pratik has a bank account and his bank account number is 9000, right? 346, right? So it's 9346, right? So the answer is D, 9346. Next question. In a school, there are 4,329 boys, 4,123 girls, and 124 teachers. So which of the following statement is true? There are 206 boys less than girls. No, because boys are more than girls. Option A is not true. The number of girls is equal to the number of boys. No, that is not true. There are 8,452 children in school. So if we add 4329 plus 4123, so we'll get 12 plus 5 plus 4, right? So this should be the right one. And there are less than 10 teachers in the school. This is also incorrect because we have 124 teachers. Okay, so the answer is C. So moving on to the next one. Shivam is making 3-digit number using the digits 581. So how many odd numbers he can make? Let's see. Okay, so 581 is one odd number, and 185 is also another odd number, and then 851 is another odd number, and 185 is one more odd number. So the answer is B, which is 4. So using the digits 581, we can make these 4 odd digits number. Okay, moving on. So question number 21, Sharon, Mona, Neil and Astrid are neighbors, right? Their house numbers are given below. Sharon house number is less than house number of Mona, all right, but more than house number of Neil. All right, so let's see. So we have Sharon, whose house number is less than the house number of Mona. Okay, but Sharon's house number is more than the house number of Neil. All right, so Neil comes here. Okay, and Astrid's house number is 1 less than Sharon's house number. Okay, so I think Astrid should come in between Sharon and Neil. So what would be Neil's house number? All right, so Mona's house number is more than Sharon's house number, and Sharon's house number is just one number above Astrid's house number, and Astrid's house number is greater than Neil's house number. So if we put this in numbers, let's see what numbers we have. 1 2 3 5 3 2 1 5 3 1 0 0 3 0 9 9. So Mona's house number is more, so that should be 3215, right? And Sharon's house number is in second place, so that should be 3100. And Astrid's house number is 1 less than Sharon's house number, so that should be 3099. And Neil's house number should be the lowest one, which is 1235. So the answer should be 1235. Alright, so if a basket, I think it has some fruits, equals 1000, and if a pineapple equals 100, and if what looks like to be a mango equals 10, and a strawberry equals 1, which group shows the number 3201? So we have 1000, and this one is 1000, so pineapple is 100, and this is a 10, and this is 100. So okay, this is 100. All right, so this should be 2000, 2200, 2300, and this will be 2310. let me put this again. So basket is 1000, 1000, 1000, and pineapple is 100, 100, mango is 10. So this will be 3210. Okay, let's see the third option. So basket is 1000, 1000, 1000, and this one is 100 pineapple, 100 pineapple, and strawberry is 1. So this will be, yeah, this will be it. So it is 3201. So the answer is C. Alright, the number is between 450 and 480. Okay, so if you add the first and the last digit of this number, the total will be 6. Okay, so out of the following numbers, choose the number. So the number should be 450 and 480. And if I add the first and the last digit of the number, the total will be 6. Alright, so we have 435, 454, 423, 462. So if I had the first and the last digit of these numbers, the total must be 6, right? So 4 plus 5 is 9. So this is not it. 4 plus 4 is 9. 4 plus 4 is 8. 4 plus 3 is 7. 4 plus 2 is 6. And this falls between 450 and 480. So the answer is D. Okay, moving on to the next question. There are 3 types of birds that Abba sees when she visits her hometown. So she sees flamingos, sparrows, seagulls. She sees 2 flamingos, 1 sparrow, and 3 seagulls. So if a bird equals 100 birds, then how many sparrows and seagulls did she see in all, right? So we have, she saw 1 sparrow and she saw 3 seagulls. Okay, 100, 100, 100. So 100 plus 100, 200, 200 plus 100, 300, 300 plus 100, 400. So the answer is B, 400. Question number 25. If figure 1 is 3, 4, 5, 6 and figure 2 is 1200, what is the value of figure 3? Alright, so if figure 1 is 3, 4, 5, 6 and figure 2 is 1200, what is the value of figure 3? So figure 3 is one figure of a stop symbol and one figure of a face icon. Alright, so just divide this by 2 and this by 2. So 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by 2 is, let's see, 1728, and 1200 divided by 2 is 600. So if we add 1728 plus 600, we should get 2328. So the answer is C, 2328. Okay, moving on. Question number 26. So 5,802 tens, 2,508 tens. Alright, so let's see, 5,802 tens. So 5,802 tens. So 2 tens is 20 minus 2,508 tens. Okay, so let's put this as A equals 3,208 tens, right? So let's see, 5820 25A0, we will be getting 3280, right? So 0 minus 0, 0, and if we carry a number here, should be 12. 12 minus a equals 8. So this should be 4 because 12 minus 4 is 8 and 7 minus 5 is 2 and 5 minus 2 is 3. So the answer is A, 4/10. Alright, moving on to the next section, activity. So question number 27. Using the above digits, form the greatest 4-digit number. So we have numbers 0, 7, 3, 9. So 9 is the greatest number, and even if you look at these options, we have numbers 9730, 9370, 9037, 9073. So A is the answer because it is the greatest number that can be formed out of these numbers. Question 28. So what will be the smallest 4-digit number that can be formed using the given digits? Right, so we have same numbers 0, 7, 3, 9, and the options that we have is 379, 3079, 3970 and 973. A and D are not the answers because 0 is not included in these options. So if we take B and C, B would be the smallest number because B is less than C. So 3079 is less than 3970. And what is the difference between the greatest and the smallest 3-digit number formed using the given digits? Alright, so the greatest 3-digit number is 973 and the smallest 3-digit number that you can have is 307, right? And the difference between these two is 13 minus 7 is 6. 6 minus 0 is 6, 9 minus 3 is 6. The option is C. Alright, so we completed the first chapter. I thank you for watching, and for more videos, please click on the subscribe button.